Hey, Ejiofor. I missed my youthfulness.
Father.
Dimnobi. Oh, how I smile each time I see the beautiful woman you have grown into.
Seems my father is busy with something.
Yes, your father wanted to eat of this, but all my efforts were in vain.
Are you that old?
Yes, my daughter. I had lived for 20, 10 and 4 seasons before your birth. And you in turn have lived for 20 and 4 seasons. Add that up, you will see that if I were a nut, you will need to borrow extra teeth to crack me. My daughter, youthfulness has left your father.
They say women don't climb trees.
Don't think about it. Don't even think of it at all.
But my father wants to eat fruit.
Dimnobi, please. Don't start the act of going out of your way to please your father. Please. We don't always get what we desire in life.
Father.
Your food.
What is the meaning of this? What is going on?
Water is life. The toad likes water, but surely not when it's boiling. There are things that can survive the coldest of places, but absolutely nothing can survive a boiling water. May the spirit of boiling water rise and ignite my spirit of vengeance. My spirit will find no peace until vengeance is mine.
Open no go walk when you lose another Esi, and you call me Naza, a born under the name Naza. Hello! But that's not really hey! Maba! Maba! What do I see? Edochie! How can light and darkness force themselves in one heart? Edochie, may your shield of protection never depart from us. May it never depart from Aniakale.
Kitty is now dead, and she cannot kill herself.
They say old age brings forth the ugliness in a person. Yeah? But I say old age brings forth the funny part of a person. Now you need to see yourself. Yeah? You look so tired to the extent that more strength can even be found on a withered vegetable than can be found in you.
Zigam, I don't think I want to laugh this morning.
Laughter is the strongest ingredient used for preparing this meal called life.
My son, you have a way of using words.
But were you actually thinking that you, the way you are now, only you, can clear all the weed on this farmland?
My son, I was busy helping other women to bring forth children. But I was never blessed with one. If I had a son, I know he would help me do this. But I was never blessed with one. Hell, like my name, I have done it.
Hey, don't worry. You have a temporary son now. Relax.
What are you doing?
Just watch me arrange your farmland for you now. Dikemba, please now, Dikemba,
please now.
Shut up! Yes, I'll tell you one more time. You will be sorry for yourself.
Yes, I bet.
You too.
But hey.
deaf. Talking to you! Are you mad? I'm talking to you, you're talking rubbish. What's your own problem this afternoon? What's your own? Hey! Anya Kalio! Eh? Did you just ask me that question? Yes. Hey! What are you mad? Uzo! Hey! Uzo! How do you talk to me like that? I've been avoiding you for a very long time, but this time, you get it. Yes, you. By the time I'm done with you today, you will turn from Mokoroma to Mokoroma. Hey! Uzo! It's okay now, stop!
Woman, are you sure this is all the meat you have in this house?
I said my ancestors, that's the last meat I have.
And you fool, keep staring at me. Are you that lazy that you cannot provide enough meat for your family?
That is enough! Enough!
How dare you! If you don't want me to push so guy now, you shut up and get out of here!
Pick your pot and get out now! Get out!
Don't you dare to devour my orders.
Because you have powers! Don't worry! Very soon, Buso will still get our power and deal with all of you in Anyakali. Instead of you to go and fight Dikemba the bully, you are here being part of Fight of Hands! You idiot! Don't worry, I'll still deal with all of you! And where is she? I am not done with you! Mbolo! I am not done with you! Where's that girl? Where's that girl?
Dikemba, you just devoured a large quantity of meat that can last a family for days.
What? How dare you? How dare you? Sorry, sir!
Sorry, sir! Sorry, sir!
Leave my father this minute! Else! Dikemba, if everybody in this community is afraid of you, I, Busaya, am not afraid of you!
You know you are the only brother I have.
Except if there's one I don't know about.
And that I love you so much. There is no way I can mislead you. I want you to look at the way things are going. Things are not the same. As in Eme ngwangwa, Eme arodachi. A stitching time saves 9. Obiako, you need to take another wife.
You speak the truth, my brother. And I know that truth myself. But the problem is, who? Yes, there are women everywhere in the kingdom. But there are no wives everywhere. I need a wife, not a woman.
My king!
I'm aware.
My king! I greet you, my king. I greet you, Ichizumba.
Buso, why do you run like a rat that a snake is after his life?
My king, it's Dikemba!
Dikemba?
It's Dikemba again!
Did I hear you say Dikemba?
Yes!
Is Dikemba presently in America land?
Yes, Ichizumba. And he's been going from hot to hot, terrorizing people!
Obiako, please, I have to rush home now to make sure that my daughter remains indoors. I don't want any problem, please.
Obiako! Obiako! Dikemba, what is it? What do you want this time? Are there no men in Aniakale? Are there no men in Aniakale to challenge me? Or do you want to challenge me? Are you man enough to challenge me? There is no man in Aniakale. Aniakale is full of wickedness. Oh, Aniakale is filled with wickedness. I need somebody to challenge me. I am getting back. I need somebody to challenge me. Nobody in Aniakale to challenge me.
Father, you haven't touched your food.
My daughter, appetite is only for the man with peace of mind. Oh! Hello.
What troubles your heart?
You needed to see the humiliation the throne suffered in the hands of that beast today. How?
Is it Dikemba?
Dikemba? He raised his voice against the king. That is an abomination. Arrow. Standing before the king and alleged that there is no man in America. Hey!
And you did what?
What do you want us to do? Dikemba is a terror. Challenging him is suicidal. My daughter, you dare not. For how long are we going to suffer this humiliation? How long? We have waited patiently for the rise of the awaited. Yet...
Speak no further, Father.
Some even say...
Igurube, speak. What is the fate of Aniakale?
Igwe, it's unclear. I see someone offered a worm-infested kolanut.
What do you mean? Are you confirming the presence of the awaited one?
Igwe, I see a beautiful white cloud. Then suddenly, a thick dark cloud envelops the white cloud.
Igurube, how can I understand these things?
Igwe, that's all I
smell it. But are they ready?
Hour has come. How I live for mercy. How I love the sweet smell of vengeance. Vengeance! And yet ready for you.
Sleep and death have striking resemblance. You are not dead, but asleep, and so shall you remain until she answers her call. I know you. I know you, my dear. The chosen one. The long-awaited. I have waited for you more than the rest. Your mission is my mission. That mission starts now. The most misunderstood and maltreated woman of Iyke. The one that was banished for no reason.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not part of it.
You don't have to know. Keep quiet, for you cannot do anything. You are the chosen one, as promised by the gods. I am going to use you as my tool for vengeance.
Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha! supplication be accepted. No man born of woman can ever harm you. Evil forces of darkness, arise!
We are here for you. What do you want us to do?
They are the evil forces. They shall make love to you. They will make love to you. And the seeds of vengeance shall be planted inside you. On your Kali kingdom! Your end is near. Evil forces of darkness, ravage her. Make love to her like she's never been made to before. Make love to her. Make love to her. Ravish, ravish, ravish.
What am I doing? Did I actually sleep outside? Dimnobi! 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 Dimnobi!
Lahib laha! Lahib laha! What they did to you last night. They ravished you, but you enjoyed it. It is good for the land and also good for me. That means you're ready for the mission. Take these. Dress yourself in these. They are fortified for the mission. When you're dressed, you go back to Anyakali and you do my bidding.
She went in my presence. She was already asleep before I lay here. Where could she have gone without telling me? Buso! Busaya! Where are you racing off?
That beast, Dikemba, is at it again. I am going to Iyke to teach him the lesson of his life.
You? What can you do?
Those that humble the mighty do not talk too much. When I get there now, I know exactly what to do.
Bruto, I haven't seen my daughter since morning. Have you seen her? Huh?
I am fine, Father.
Dimobi, where have you been?
To answer the call of the one who sent me.
What do you mean?
Soon, you will understand.
And where are you going, Sergeant?
To see Dikemba.
Dike what? Come back, come back!
You.
Did you just call me weakling?
Yes,
do you want me to touch you?
Wait, bro, you go and fight your fellow men. Do not touch anybody.
Another woman. Oh, I've always asked for men to challenge me in Aniakale. And they keep offering women.
Today marks the end of your terror.
How dare you? How dare you stand before my face?
She comes from the land of the gods. She's the chosen one. Her powers have no...
Hi! Oh. Izumba! Hi! Can you keep calm so that we can hear you?
One name you will not understand. My only daughter is at the verge of harming herself. Oh. Izumba, what did you say she's really up to? So that we can understand.
Move! What is the noise about? What is the noise about? Move it! Move! Move! Move!
My king, father, behold the tormentor of Aniaka. I beg to take my leave now.
Say what, please?
So you can actually bow to the king and to the kingdom of Anya.
Get up! Get up!
Take him and show him his class.
Move! Get up and fight! Move! Women beat her! Come and beat us! Move! Move!
Move! How can you challenge Aniaka?
Hey, woman. Why scamper like a deity whose abode has been destroyed?
It's my child. She's running temperature. I don't know what is wrong with her. I can't understand. I'm taking her to Igube.
Why travel so far, seeking solution that is close to you?
How do you mean? Igube is our priest.
Something bigger. Something bigger than 10 times Igube put together stands right before you.
What could it be? What could that be? Hey, Diego. Thank you so much.
Woman. I understand you came to my house crying. What was that for?
Ada told me of how you restored that child's health. My child is sick. I don't know what is wrong with her. Please, you will help me. Please help me. Help me. My child is dying. Please.
Speak no further. I do not want noise. Just make sure you take care of your child.
I have this feeling that you are one of those that see her as their wedded. Be very careful. Nobody knows anything yet.
Gidenna! Come fast.
I'm almost there.
Be Emeka one.
So your face is like this. Your face is like a trap that fell to catch enemy. To catch a meat for 3 days. What is the problem?
You don't know. This is no time for humor. Biko, please.
It's obvious that you're troubled. And I know because our trap has been barren.
You don't know. Sit down and ask me. You don't know. Is this how we're going to survive? Very soon our mates will start taking wives. Are we going to run our families with barren traps? Tell me. If it doesn't bother you.
Oh, Mama, it appears that all the animals in this our Aniakali kingdom have traveled to a far land. What are we going to do?
Aniakali Murume.
What is it?
Joy! My brother, see, Busuara is a beautiful girl. She's too beautiful. But listen. The fire around her is too much. So, Nataba.
Why do you always kill my spirit? I've told you to always try and be optimistic in your life. Listen, if we continue to be scared of the maidens in Aniakali, how do we get married? Tell me.
You're talking about optimistic. Optimistic.
Buzo!
Mama, you actually did the best book of creation with you.
Why have you stopped me?
Sure. Mama, is this a question that you're supposed to ask a young man like me that is up to the age of marriage? Huh? Listen, when a cock starts scraping the tips of his wings to your hand, you don't need a diviner to tell you that the cock is interested in the hen.
So the cock is interested in the hen now?
Not just a hen, a beautiful hen like you.
And I am the hen?
Yes, I am the cock.
The next time you stop me and suck this rubbish, then I will show you the worth of Buso. Foolish cock.
You didn't know. I told you that there's too much higher than that. This is just the beginning. You cannot be able to pronounce optimistic now. Call it complete.
She slapped me!
That's when you stop.
I told you about fire. This is just the beginning.
As they wanna to have a bluzo. No Carlos, no come more. Oi! Open our belly, judge or women. Ah! As more that's my only your men. Me room. You won't walk your mother. Ha! When a plant gets uneasy and the wind is swiftly stirred, only one man can be blamed. You! I know you. You violent son of the peaceful wizard!
A man is not said to be a hero by many war tales that he can tell, but by the war he fought in war. Some call themselves strong, others call themselves powerful, while some call themselves mighty. Who shall be revealed? The strong, powerful, or mighty?
Morgilpu, wisdom is a gift, not an acquisition.
But the wise live longer than the strong, powerful, and the mighty.
State your mission here.
It is said that the herbalist that refuses to ask a layman what leaves he looks for in the bush would find it difficult to get what he wants. Because when there is a fiction of benevolence, but an extreme powerful wizard, and a hostile venomous witch, it only takes the art of Chiokike to save the victim.
Let me pretend I didn't hear you. You don't threaten me.
I do not threaten you. Stay clear from this wing of vengeance that is looming. Stupidity is the lover of ignorance.
Boy, man. Akalochie. That's not really over your man.
she was very lucky.
But what could you have done?
If not for the love that I have for her, I would have shown her how dangerous it is to have Ebiogu the porcupine as a pet. I am telling you.
Obiogu, so let me tell you the truth. You are the one who is attempting to have Obiogu as a pet. How can you, out of all the beautiful girls in this our kingdom, it's only Busowo that your eyes can only see.
Jidena, mind the way you talk to me. Mind the way you talk to me.
Yeah, so let me tell you. Stop warning me. This is real womanhood.
See, let me tell you. There's nothing I will not do to have the Nolly.
Stop dreaming. You talk about dream. You talk about dream. Listen, let me tell you.
It's like the movie. The movie has turned your tears into joy.
You can call it anything.
It's good news. But let me tell you, dreamers, you see, dream beget reality. And good things only go to those who wish them.
Okay, let me ask you. Is Dimnobi a better option? Is she better than Buswaga?
How can you compare peace and war? See, Buswaga is war.
Hey,
and Dimnobi is peace. Let me tell you. I prefer Dimnobi a million times over Buswaga. What are you talking about?
It's okay, but there is something strange about Dimnobi.
Something strange? What are you talking about?
Okay, Dimnobi was born almost the same time with us.
Yes, I know.
You know?
Yes.
Fine. Take a very good look at her. Does she look like our age? Does she look like our mate?
Let me tell you. You are talking from your own reign of understanding.
Reign. I am telling you,
from my own reign. The only thing I can see when the movie passes is a beautiful figure.
Child.
Yeah? A beautiful figure, a beautiful backside. That every man that have wisdom like me should go after.
You want wisdom? Yes. Wait, listen. No. Just continue.
See Busa. Busa is coming.
Continue watching this Uku until you die. When you believe it.
Nago!
Zikam, you are back already.
Yes, sir.
No one.
No. If this is the only ripe one I could find, let us give the others some time so that they can be fully ripe before we cut them.
Thank you, Mom. Hey. Meduri! Nebuso! Come. Hey.
I greet you.
Zigam has done it.
Hey. You tried well, oh. Thank you very much, Zigam. Hey.
Zigam, what will it cost us?
Okay, let's see. It will cost you 2 goats, 20 and 10 tubers of yam, 10 and 2 heads of tobacco.
Then you can add a bag of cow.
Zigam, we didn't tell you that you wanted to marry a wife.
Please, Zigam, don't start with us this morning.
At least I have been able to put laughter on your faces. What more payment can I ask for? I should be on my way now.
Wait, you have not said it. You haven't said
Nani, don't bother yourself. I did it from my own heart. Not for any pay. I should be on my way now. Balono.
Most confusing thing is that no one knows where it comes from.
Exactly. Nice. Hey.
Okay, can you?
Hey.
first part has been achieved. We have captured the people's heart for you. The next thing now is to take out all obstacles. Are you ready?
I am your humble servant.
Love and laughter shall you ignore. You must not have laughter on your face. You must avoid it like a plague.
I shall detest laughter from this moment.
The strength of your power lies in manhood. As many men that go into you, their powers shall become yours.
I will milk their power and their strength.
No man shall fall in love with you. For a start, you must send death to any man that has desired you deeply.
The other tracks will also come. I don't want to face another disappointment again.
I want to ask you a very important question. If we stop this hunting today, are we going to die?
What is wrong with you? Why are you talking like a fool? You want to cancel this hunting when we're already in the forest? Are you okay?
See, let me tell you the truth. The Nobi is the only thing in my mind now.
It's all about the Nobi. Oh yes. Please, let's go to where we are going.
I need to go back and tell her how I feel. I need to go and tell her that I desire her. She needs to understand it. That I desire her so much. Go where? Okay. I'm not going to stop you. If you are interested in hunting, take my gun. Add to your own. Go ahead and hunt. I'm going to tell her that she's a father to me.
Any man who desires me shall be crushed!
What is it? Jenna! What is it? Jenna! Hey! Jenna! Hey! Anya Kalia! Jenna! Hey! Jenna! 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 Jenna, please! Hey! Jenna, please! Hey! Jenna! Hey! Jenna! Hey! Jenna, please!
It is done. Rise now, great daughter of darkness, for the time is now. Go there, choose your army. 3 in number. Great daughter of vengeance, go out there and take charge. For Jiribia is fully behind you. Vengeance is mine.
When vibrant maidens are counted in this land, your name must be included because you are made of many sides. It is time for you to explore your vibrancy. Pick the pot and come with me. The small pot has shattered the big pot. Do you know why? Because something big started small. You were part of the small group that would rule the large group. Pick the pot and come with me. I know you have a dream so big and glorious. The spell has caught that dream. But if you still want to realize that dream, follow me.
you're wondering where you are, you are in the middle of nowhere. You have been fortified as armies to help my apostle terrorize the land of Anya. But remember, must never be on your faces. The brutality must continue until Anyakali becomes mine. Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha! La Wazira Sisi! These clothes have been fortified for the mission ahead. You will dress yourselves in them and wait here until the apostle comes. Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha!
Great diviner of Anyakali, what stirs the peaceful Wangini this afternoon? Let the men be wary, the women be at alert, and the children be careful. A harmless rabbit comes with a living viper in its belly.
Igurube, Anyakali has passed through the era of wishes and overcome. Nothing is stronger than Anyakali. Nothing!
And you can speak to me in clear terms if danger looms. And you can be rest assured that I will raise the sword of authority.
Yes, because nobody dares an angry deity and lives to tell the story. Your Highness, if you do so, no one will withstand its fury.
Be mindful of what you believe and be sure of what to expect. The pebble Anyakali threw at her enemy returns with her friend. Igurube, you have said so many things, yet nothing is clear.
Yes.
Igurube, are our enemies rising against us? A climber that says all he sees at the top of the tree won't take long before he falls.
Diochianara akọcha ihe ọ hụrụ n'elu nkwụ.
A masquerade is never said to be a spirit just because of its mask. It is gathering, just like a cloud. It is gathering! A steady wrestling and a bad fall goes hand. All of them, Anyakali, for this great pain that you have caused me, I shall live to see you win. Let it rain. Ibe agbata n'izu na adịba ka izu. Ọkwara na aka anyị dị ọcha ka anyị ji akwụ n'iru mmụọ. Ka anyị kwukọ ọgwụ. Aka n'otu ya. Ai, oke mmụọ. Anyị sị gị na kwenu.
The time is right for the people to know who I am.
I see n'ife ọma ya adị na anị akale. Ife ọma ya eme. Onye si na ọ ere eme ewela na zulu mmiri. Kete na abụ deme. I smell a rotten egg in a basket of udala.
Hey! Do not speak to her in such manner.
Do I smell an attack in my territory?
Announce my presence to the entire Aniakali at once.
And what do I announce you as?
The awaited. Yes.
Are you still?
You should have let me burn his shrine. I have fire, you know. Consuming fire.
And you should have allowed me cast a spell on him. My mysterious boxes would have destroyed him.
I like the zeal and the commitment. But this mission, this war, is greater.
I love to hear war. I love war. Busaha is made for war.
One step. All will be taken in due course. That animal is not ordinary.
Should I destroy it right away?
Don't worry yourself. I can destroy this thing this minute. I am not scared of anything. You? Son of a wizard. What do you seek on my path?
Is it not natural that those held into the same destination travel together?
Not every traveler needs company. And most importantly, the next time you stand in my way or appear before me in animal form, I shall kill you.
A man cannot build a house, neither can a tree make a forest. It is said that when a man lives alone, he is always overworked. Iwe dem not be.
I know your mission, and trust me, you need.
I do not need anyone.
Patience.
I know Ekubo very well. He took his stubbornness from his father.
His stubbornness means nothing to me. Allow me to force him, and I will force him to announce me immediately.
Force must be the last word. Remember, he is still the high priest of Akanochi. He must be accorded some respect.
So shall we allow him to continue taking us for granted?
Leave it the way it is. I know what to do.
Dinner still remains a mystery. And what makes it a mystery? As far as I'm concerned, there is nothing like mystery. It could be that he was attacked by wild animals. Hey! Ejima, did I hear you say wild animals? There is nothing like wild animals. A woman who was there with him narrated what happened. And what did he say happened? He said Jidena decided not to hunt again. That he was going back to propose to Damijo. Before Onwama could say anything, Jidena shouted and died. What are you saying? Are you trying to say that Jidena was killed by the Nobi?
Before the king. As we speak now, our sacred Akali stream has turned to blood. Our enemies stand rising against us. I will be forced to raise the sword of authority.
My king, why would you raise the sword of authority over people of little honor when we can as well show them how powerful we are?
What are you talking about? I am asking you why you are adorned with such strange attire. And why are these maidens following you?
The answer is obvious, but it is not in my place to make it known.
I knew it. I said it that you are...
Again, my king, it is not in my place to say. Our sacred Akali stream is free of whatever evil spirit is inhabiting it. The people can fetch.
Are you trying to... But we were there with Igurube. We were there at the stream with Igurube. Yes. And even he tried all he could. Still, the water was still blood. Blood!
She has restored the stream. The people can now go ahead and fetch. Yeah.
Huh? Izumba. Izumba.
A performing masquerade who tries so hard to outclass his colleague may end up exposing his ends.
Because it would amount to so much foolishness if a man steps on a cobra after warning others against it.
Do not think I shall continue to sit and watch you and your agents break down Akali.
Don't be fooled, you ancient priest of Akalioche. The crocodile does not die underwater for us to call monkeys to celebrate its funeral. You want others to stay away from this danger that is looming. I will suggest you do same. Because that which you see is bigger than you can handle.
Leave from here now, you descendant of the wizard.
Don't forget that my mother is also a witch.
Do not forget that the sword of authority raised against her still hangs in the palace. And the descendants of the witch hunters still living.
Ancient priest of Akalioche, it is said that the death that would want to kill a man always begins as an appetite. Do not boil my blood any further.
Eye of the gods, Igurube, Okotowaraji, I heard you from inside.
Your daughter Isaac.
Truly wise one, I cannot place her whereabouts. I fear she is...
It is not in your place to speak. Your daughter is. This is beyond your understanding. I shall be back.
Clouds are gathering for those who know the value of the clouds. Who is he that looked and could not behold? Who is he that spoke and did not utter a word? Who?
Justice shall always rise above vengeance.
Let the hawk stick to the chicks and vultures to carcass.
When a deer grazes away from its flock towards a lion's den, what it seeks, it shall find.
This is my territory!
This is a territory of evil. You are not.
Igurube! Igurube, or whatever you are called! Shut up and leave this place at once!
Stay away, daughter of Agoha, or you'll be burned by fire. You don't know its beginning. Stay away!
Igurube! You are stepping on my patience. Announce me at once!
And I shall never announce evil.
Then, be prepared, for I must be announced.
No one stands in the way of an angry lioness. Attack!
Show yourself! You swine! Show yourself!
He has brought this upon himself. He must be cut off at once.
You are the last person I intend to see right now.
You heard her. Give way. Now! Now!
The same burning desire inside the one who sent you is on the verge of destroying the foundation. I live each day hoping to see Anyakari go under intense torture and hell.
I have told you, I am on a mission.
Yes. A mission that you need me.
Get out of my way.
You were. There is a difference between bottled desire and bottled animosity. You don't know what you should do and how to free yourself. I can help you.
Mogeku! I do not need your help. Whatever help it is you think you can render, I do not need it. Don't bullshit. Don't!
My brother, honestly, it was really disturbing. I couldn't let it lie.
Truly, my brother, I cannot make out the circumstances surrounding the Nobi, our daughter. I cannot.
Do you know that the Nobi has never slept in my hut since she brought Dikemba to his knees?
No, you are not speaking the truth.
How can I lie to my one and only brother? I am speaking the truth.
You know, my brother, I have these strong feelings that the Nobi is the awaited one. But I wonder why Igurube is finding it so hard to announce her. Normally, the awaited one comes to end a lineage. You and I are the only surviving males of this family. Yes. If we pass on today, she dwells alone.
I totally agree with you. Now, come to think of it, my wife died on the night of her birth. True. Yours joined exactly 10 and 12 seasons later. If you observe closely, you now discover that the Nobi looks 10 seasons older than her age.
There's sense in what you're saying. But whatever this is, time alone will tell.
That's my belief. That is my only belief.
I know if my men are not. I want to put a coast of love and you in the pathology, will be a watch or raffling. If my Melian, Melian and Daily.
Prayer to the gods is something older than all of us.
We met our fathers doing it, and we joined. Generations after us will surely continue from where we stopped.
In essence, we want you to stop the prayers and give us the desired attention.
For something bigger than Akaliochie is here now.
Who is beating this deadly drum for you that you step your feet into the ancient shrine of Akaliochie to speak such insult? Oh, I can see. You are the Manza, the little bird that decided to challenge her creator in a wrestling bout after overfeeding.
Speak no further nonsense, Igurube, for you have reached your end.
Let me advise you. Leave here now with your apostles.
Since you do not want to do it willingly, you shall do it forcefully.
In your wildest dream, do you ever think you can force me to do anything? Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha! Lahim Laha!
It has already been.
cycled even spiritually. How did you step your cursed faith into this ancient shrine?
Now you understand what we meant by something bigger than a Kalioche is already here.
Please make this very easy for me. This is the first time you are visiting my palace at night. And you have arrived here with the Nolly and her maidens who dress in very strange attire, demanding that I bring some elders with me. Leaves me wondering if all is well.
Where is Izumba, your brother?
Izumba traveled to our new. He'll be back tomorrow morning. But why do you ask after him? Is his visit all about Izumba, my brother?
I would have loved to make this announcement in his presence. But in his absence, I shall proceed. Do help me to inform him when you talk. For so long we have waited for the promised one by the gods. The one who will protect Anekali from the age of terror and darkness. The one that will ensure that never ever will sorcery rule this land again. That awaited is here and now. In my capacity as the custodian of the shrine of the ancient Akaliji, I announce and present before you, Iwe, and the elders, the awaited. She is the one. Her word is law. Everybody must listen to her and follow her lead. She is to guide Anekali.
The manipulation worked. He couldn't stand the lies. He couldn't continue his resistance. He ended himself to save his face.
Now you must rise and take over. For no man born by a woman shall ever harm you, as long as my hold is on you.
I am ready for anything.
Now that you have the spiritual leadership of Anyakali, go and take over the kingdom. Take over the throne.
The throne?
Yes, the throne. For that has always been the target. But two people stand between you and the throne. You must take them out.
State their names, and their blood shall be my wine.
Obiako and Izumba, his brother.
The king? And my father?
Kill the sentiments, my child. Don't see them as that. Remember the promise. Remember the future. They must pay. Anyakali must pay. It will pay dearly. Like him. La famine.
Iyke, Izumba, my father and my everything. The one with royal blood flowing in his veins. Come out and grace the presence of the boiling one.
My daughter, they are waited. To what do I owe this special visit?
This is the heart of my birth. Remember?
You're right. You're right.
A place I lived and grew in.
But those days have since gone by. You have now assumed a new form. What is going on?
Don't speak! Don't!
Dimnobi!
Iwe Dimnobi! My heart is filled with anger.
Onye na-atụ egwu, ọ ka
Let slumber rise from all ends of the universe, as of the strength of death,
as of the weakness of an overfed python.
King of the Akko.
Iwe, what are you doing?
You lied when you said a woman cannot touch the sword of authority of a Niakale. Why would you lie to someone like me?
I never lied to you. A woman can never touch the sword.
Shut up! The same sword I have already seized.
You did what? How dare you touch the sword?
No! Don't. He is a king.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
She comes from the land of the gods. She is the chosen one. Her powers have no end. She who must be obeyed.
What's this?
Hey! Igwe!
Metu! Why do you hurry like a man being chased by a fleet of bees?
Zigam, if you receive a slap from a man who is fighting with you, it means the person has set a room for a fight. But if the person slaps you twice in quick succession, it means the person came to kill you.
Metu. But I don't see any mark on your face. Are you sure you are not hallucinating? Or were you the one who slapped somebody? Hey! Could that be what I think?
Something greater than a hawk has taken a ship on a flight. First, it was Jidenna. Second, Igurube. And now, just this morning, the Okoje of Aniakele had just fallen. He had fallen with the last of its kind.
Matthew, can you speak in clear terms?
The king, Obiako, has joined his ancestors.
Hey!
As I'm talking to you now, he died with his only brother.
Hey! Matumba! Hey! Metu! Hey! Metu! Hey!
Kali mulume. Hi. Tuvia.
Nai. What's the problem?
I can't tell.
What's going on?
I can't tell. But I'll soon find out. All I know is that the sound of the snake is not a good omen.
Hey, Tufiakwa. Hey, Tufiakwa. Get even over them cats. Hey.
A masquerade don't dance forever. No matter how deadly a masquerade is, time would come for it to fail. One orgy must fall for another to reign. It is her time. My time. Our time. Things may want to stop, but nothing can stop. Because nothing can stop a man whose life is made.
We are convinced that we are under attack. Your father is Zumba, and his brother Ejiofor were murdered last week.
The most painful aspect of it all is that the palace guards couldn't explain what happened.
And we have been busy all day visiting all the diviners in Anyakali.
Yes.
Trying to ascertain where the problem is coming from concerning the royal house.
Yes.
Well, they gave no clue. Instead, they said all the beds were covered in mystery. That was what they said.
We remembered the long-awaited that was announced. You see, it took us time to make a decision to be here. Because as the only child of the royal family, you are the chief mourner. And of
Enough of the explanation. For I am no longer a child. By virtue of my call as the awaited, I am half human, half spirit. The diviners were unable to speak, for the deaths have a link with the sword of authority.
Sword of authority? We are confused. Are you saying that they were killed by the sword of authority?
I am sad that I am the one handling this ministration. For the people we talk about are my father and my uncle. But then, again, we cannot question the gods. They died in a strange way. They shall also go in a strange way.
Wise one, what strange way are you talking about?
First thing tomorrow morning, their bodies shall be set ablaze. Yes, that is how they shall go. Failure to do so, and all men in Anyakali shall end in the same strange way.
Are you serious about the instruction you just gave the elders? Will you allow them do it?
We just want to know. Will you let them set the remains of your father in your uncle at least?
Do you have a problem with that? Why do you cry more than the bereaved?
It's just that it has never happened in Aniakali before. Yes. It's a norm to burying our dead here.
Listen, maiden. You are my army. My army, and you do whatever I do. Kill the sentiments, for we are on a mission. Aniakali must pay. My order stands. Their bodies will be set ablaze to further help to humble the elders in the land.
The message was well delivered.
I expect it wasn't well received.
As you expected. But we shouldn't be concerned about that for now. You must ascend the throne.
Then, prepare. You, all of you. Be wary how you involve yourself in matters beyond your understanding.
Greetings, the movie.
I am not here for pleasantries, Anadu. How has the message from the gods been taken by you and the others?
Just that it was a confusing one.
The message was very clear enough.
Very clear? It was not clear to us.
Anyone who plans to stand in the way of the gods does that at his own peril. My father and my uncle are clear examples. I am here on a great mission. A mission to take charge and straighten things in Aniakali. Events leading to this moment are clear indication of the presence of the hands of they who have sent me. And anyone who tries to foil their plan must be ready to dance.
No, the wise one, no one intends to stand on the way of what the gods have planned. No. We had actually wanted to see you and to hear from you directly before any actions.
Tell anyone who has intentions to do otherwise that the dance of the gods is a very rigorous one.
Enete, that's the situation on ground.
Anadu, if actually she is implying that we should hand over the throne to her, then she needs to have a rethink. A woman has never ruled the land of Aniakali.
Anete, she's not just a woman. She's the one promised us by the gods. The awaited one.
The gods are too wise to make such a mistake.
Anete, mind your words. The rage of the gods is like a burning inferno. It burns without mercy.
That is for those who have offended the gods.
Do not offend the gods with your tongue. I think I have more serious things to do with that.
Rubbish! It has never happened. Not in this land. How can a woman rule this community for what? It has never let it happen anywhere else. But not this kingdom. Not this community.
No! No! Huh? What is it?
I am Enete. Why are you standing in my way? Huh?
Hey!
Don't you dare make a move.
Huh? Hey!
You brought this upon yourself. May the gods consume you with fire.
Hey! 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 Fire! 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 Hey! Hey! Hey!
You summoned me. I am here now. What is it about?
Ichie Emeka, a prominent man of this kingdom, died in a mysterious circumstance.
Wait a minute. Ichie Anadu, did you call me here to discuss the death of Ichie Enete?
Wise one, please don't be mad at us. After his death, we made an inquiry, and we were told that his death has to do with our delay in crowning you.
And so we invite you here to wear you the crown, because we do not want the anger of the gods to fall on us. With the power vested on me as the kingmaker of Aniakale, I crown you today as the queen.
I shall be addressed as king.
I crown you as King Dimnobi of Aniakale. The king must have something to tell our people.
Yes.
Before I speak, my chief guard speaks first.
Silence! The era of sluggishness has come to an end. Sons and daughters of Aniakale must be up and doing. Loyalty and respect must be your new religion. This is all you have to know for now. Others, you shall know in due course.
My father called me Iwe. But all of you chose to pick the path that suits you. I shall also pick up the path that suits me. I raise the sword of authority against anyone who dares call me Dimnobi. Henceforth, I shall be addressed as King Iwe, the Lord of Aniakale. I have spoken. And as for this, I have no need for it. With silence! With or without this thing, I remain the king. King Iwe.
Your Majesty, I was not around that night. I was attending to my sick mother.
Shut up! What would you have done if you were around? What? All of you are incompetent. Your inability to protect King Obiako shows just how useless you three are to the entire palace. Henceforth, you cease to be the gods.
What?
You will be my gods.
Your Majesty, Your Majesty.
Since it is my first day as king, I do not intend to be brutal, except you want to experience my brutality. So nicely take yourselves to the dungeon and lock yourselves up. Quick!
How can you say that?
How dare you! How dare! Don't you dare! You have gods. I see you have some strength.
Now you fight me! Fight me! Fight me! Get out! Move it! Get out!
What am I doing here? What do you want from me?
You showed me you have strength. You showed me the traits that I need in men. You appear to me like one who has the stamina that can last all through the night. I need you. I need what you can release to massage my strength. And hey, do not even try anything funny, because if you do, you are dead.
My name is Iyke. I have lived in this palace since I was a child, serving the king.
My name is Adanna. I share the same essence as Iyke. And we are hoping that now we have a female as our new king, that our job will be sweeter and easier.
Do you know why King Iwe has refused to wear the crown like all the different kings around here? That is because she is a different king on a different mission. In other words, I am here to inform you that there is a new order in the palace and your services are no longer needed. Yes, both of you go in, pack your miserable belongings and leave the palace.
Greetings to the inhabitants of the royal household.
No, leave my presence this minute.
Get out!
And you? It's obvious you have lost your memories. Or have you forgotten that your presence is not needed in this palace? What are you doing here?
Why do I have to talk to the cat when I'm here to see the tiger? My words are not with you. I'm here to see the king. Now get out of my sight before I turn you into something more disgusting than you.
Who are you?
The cobra might be the king of the world, but that does not make it better. Do not step on the Bible.
Enough of that! You should bow before your king.
Oh, greetings, my queen.
King, I said.
No king needs the use of his two hands to urinate.
Well, I am still the king.
Without a manhood. Let me tell you something you don't understand. A large here does not make a king. The offer may be the authority to the throne, but it's only the power behind an authority that makes it subject to respect that authority.
Mogeko, stay away from me.
And that power comes from the strength of a man, a real man. And a man's manhood is the he that is in him, which makes him the he that is in him. You can see that a symbol of authority is not just.
I rule now, and I shall not stand in the way of wizards. My role is to bring pain and darkness to Aniakali for the sins of their past. Stick to your path, and I shall not bother you.
Iwe, we both have the same plan at hand. That every king needs a queen, or should I say, make real.
Get out of here now!
Out! My king, it would only take a while, then our marriage will surely be a success. Patience, my king.
Out!
Patience. Patience.
From this day onwards, all forms of worship shall be done only at my shrine and before my deity.
That's my thing.
You do not speak while I talk. I called both of you out here because I know that you are the political heads of the two major clans in Aniakali. And I know that whatever information I give to you two will spread like wildfire. Every young man who intends to take a wife must first inform the palace and perform the ritual of purification in my inner chambers to prepare him for his union. The placenta of every child born in Aniakali must be presented as sacrifice to my deity. At every full moon, all households in Aniakali will present a cock and 10 tubers of yam to the palace. I have spoken. Anadu,
Your Highness.
you were about to say something.
That's the wine. Sorry, my king. I was about saying that the people have not actually known the name of your deity.
You should concern yourself with what your duty is. And in this case, Your duty is obey, not ask. Have I also made myself clear?
Yes.
Good. Yes. Now go out and inform the people. Pass the message around. One more thing. I shall not tolerate unnecessary questions or anyone countering my orders in this cabinet. Is that also clear?
Yes, sir.
From this day, I, King Iwedimnobi, daughter of Izumba, brother to Obiako, son of Obiokoto, son of Obiokali, raise the sword of authority against anyone who flaunts my orders.
Anadu, my brother. Aniakale has fallen into something greater than it.
This land is in trouble. Greater than the era of sorcery.
Did you see the fire in her eyes? Is this really what was spoken of? We are waiting.
I wish I can speak up. However, as it stands now, nobody knows the safe place and or a safe thing to say. However, maybe the native knew what he was saying.
Maniha Baraka. But she has the backing of the gods. That is the most baffling aspect of the whole thing.
Well, however it is, I hope Aniakane survives the onslaught.
Let's be hopeful. Let's go.
This land must pay with pain.
Oh,
my love.
Obi, I'm so excited. I'm so happy.
So am I too. Obi, I've made arrangement for the wine. I made it in 2 days' time. I and my people will come and make everything official.
Hey, Ugezu Loralo. Hey, Obi. Hey. Obi.
Yes, my love.
Don't bother. Don't mind.
What bothers you, what bothers your heart, my love?
Obi. It's about that Kingston decree. Yeah?
You mean to go and see her in her inner chambers?
Obi, and I'm not comfortable with that. I am not.
My love, don't tell me you've been jealous.
No.
It is only a dictate from the gods, and we mortals don't have any choice than to obey.
I know. Obi, I know. But something tells me it is not right. Mbonu, come here. What were you both discussing?
Nothing. She's my wife to be. We are simply taking a walk.
I'm sure you're aware of the consequences of disobeying the orders of the king.
Yes, I am.
make yourself available at the palace tonight.
Sure.
My king, you shall live long. I came as instructed.
I shall live long. I like to hear things like that. But you know, my life is anchored in something. Something only vibrant men like you who desire a wife and a
What are you talking about?
Undress and let's get started. If you resist me, you shall die. And if I kill you, no one in America will know. Get started.
Mbano, you seem to be married. Mbano, is everything okay with you? Mbano, what is the matter? Mbano, 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 hey, somebody here! Mbano, somebody help me here! Somebody help!
We slept off last night and missed the best of it all.
Missed the best of what? I hid behind the chamber, listening as she would chat herself with the young man.
Oh, that's risky.
Risk is not the word I would choose, for I truly enjoyed myself. He was simply a man of strength. She was on him all through the night.
All through the night. That means you can't survive it.
Who's talking about me?
Huh? You need to have seen the king this morning. She was fully recharged. And that's what matters. I can't wait to have another opportunity.
Obi, what happened to me? Obi, what happened to you? Obi, what happened to you? What happened to him?
I don't know. I just met him. I greeted. The next day he's gone.
I said, Obi, I told you I wasn't comfortable with this one.
You're returning from the palace.
I told you. I shall okay. Obi, just do this.
It's okay,
Obi,
my
don't
friend.
do
It's
this
okay.
to me.
It's okay,
I told you, you said I shall.
It's okay, my friend.
Where are they? Where are they? I need to see the king.
You will see her only when she wants to see you.
Wambedi, Order, if you two do not step aside as once, I swear you will see the other side
What
of me.
will you do? And which bush dog threatens the peace of this palace? Amadi, have you gone crazy?
Busu, were you referring to me?
Shut up and state your mission.
I need to see the king.
I said state your mission. Why have you come to see the king?
My brother came here last night like a man and returned to us as vegetable.
Oh, amazing. And you have come to question the king? Is that it?
What gods?
And you greet your king with such impudence. Anyway, I'm on a lighter mood. The gods will not strike him. Next time, do not repeat it. See him out.
Nolly, you must tell me what happened to my only brother.
Hey, Your Majesty. This is Amadi. The same Amadi that supplied me some wine this morning. Hey, what happened to him?
Anyone who insults the messenger of the gods insults the gods. Do you agree?
Oh, absolutely. Of course, nobody has the right to insult the messenger of the gods. Nobody.
I called both of you here to witness what will happen. Amadi walked into my palace this morning and insulted me. The gods paralyzed him.
Hey! Your Majesty, don't misunderstand us. What exactly did he do?
Are you questioning your king?
No, Your Majesty, no. We just want to be guided. Everybody knows that Amadi is a great man of this land. Of course, he couldn't have insulted the gods.
Huh? He will not be buried. Take his cursed body off my face and throw it into the evil forest. This will serve as a warning to everyone in this land. My word is law. I am the messenger of the gods sent to salvage this land. And anyone who disrespects, disobeys, or insults me will end this way.
Hey! Hey! Hello!
Long time ago, placentas were meant for powerful people. Powerful people like us. We that lived in the dark and looked out at people that lived in the real world. But then the rebel, they started burying their placentas and everything collapsed.
I have always tried to eat the placenta raw, severally like you instructed. But then always I can't.
That is why I boil the placenta for you. If you cannot eat it raw, then you should eat it boiled. Because you need it. You see, the life of a child flows from the placenta. You need it to become what you have to be. Feast on it.
Why do I have this feeling that both of you are lying to me? We don't have any reason to lie. As the king instructed, we came here this morning to present our palace offering. The moon became full yesterday.
Don't tell me about the moon! I know that more than you. Don't!
Why then did you summon us back here in the palace? We acted based on instruction.
Shut up! My informant told me that what you would offer to this palace this morning was not the best of your harvest. In fact, it was something that you considered useless. How dare you? How dare you offer what you consider useless to the palace? Eh?
Please, Buso, don't twist it. We brought what we have.
Many are already kicking against the instructions.
we that have obeyed should be encouraged.
Of course, you will be encouraged with strokes of cane. By the time I am done with both of you today, next time you will know how to approach the palace. On your knees! If you dare make a move, if you make a move, go to don't go manage.
I feel so bad that this is happening. Is this what the gods promised us? Could this be what we waited for all these years?
You see, we can't stand here agonizing and complaining. We are women. We can't possibly talk to the gods or question them.
What then must we do? How could Busara, the daughter of Meju, flog me? No, flog us.
That is the more reason why we should confront the mother. Even strive when you fail to confront them. Busara is your only daughter, and you can't tell me she has outgrown your control.
Hey, my sister, don't blame me. You don't have to blame me. What is happening in this land today, as you can see, is beyond my own understanding. I am not happy that my own daughter is part of this. So you yourself, you're supposed to know. Why are you talking like this?
That is why I have come to tell you. I have come to tell you to control her. If she continues like this, people will lose their patience and kill her one day.
It has not gotten to this. It has not gotten to this, please. I think I'm doing my best.
Your best is not enough. Is that why she had to flog me this way? Next time she tries it.
Please, Mama Opodre. Please, it hasn't gotten to this. I think I will have to talk to my husband to warn her. Please, it's okay now. Why must my daughter be part of this evil?
If this is why you've come, then you have to leave at once.
Yeah, Buso, do you realize it is your father you are referring to?
And do you realize that you're before the second strongest individual in Aniakali?
Buso, what has come over you? My daughter.
Agoha!
What? You called me by my name?
Your saving grace today is that I came into this world through your loins. I shall never be kind enough next time. Now, get out!
Buso.
I said, get out! Leave my presence! She had the guts to report me.
How is she doing?
She's fine.
The baby is fine. My ancestors, please, this is my first child. Just help me, please. Please, answer my prayers.
It's a girl.
May the gods be praised.
I shall bring the placenta for you.
Placenta, what for?
The king's decree.
No, I don't understand that rubbish. My daughter's placenta cannot be presented to any deity that I don't even know the name, and I don't believe in.
I like your courage, my son.
In all my seasons as a midwife, I've never heard of any deity that demands for a placenta. I've never.
My daughter's placenta shall be buried as it should. Go inside, get it from me. Let me go and bury it.
It is time for them to feel the brunt of my anger. What the eyes of the eagles can see from the sky will blind the chicken when it comes close. When a bird decides to perch on the rope, he must be ready to dance with the rope. Because those who are evil, they parade with the blunt edge of supernatural. Perfect timing. Little boy, how are you? Come. Come. Don't be afraid. Come. You like fruit? Come take. Come.
I know you like fruit.
Now eat. Good. Good. Eat. Nice. Eat. Nice.
Nice.
The awaited one of Anaka. I greet you.
Your greeting makes no sense to me, for I see deceit in your eyes. Stay off my path.
The slow striking of a tiger is not a symbol of cowardice. For the fact that a child is not tall enough to see above his father's compound does not mean there are no other compound beside his father's. A child who says his mother will not sleep will never know the sense of good sleep. Says his mother will not sleep will never know the sense of good sleep. A man who stands alone is not alone because the aura of the man is bigger than the man. At the point he ate that banana, he ate the fruit of ill health. I use him as a point of contact to reach out to all the children in this land. I invoke a strange sickness upon the children of this land. Upon the children of this land.
My king, the situation on ground is far more than we sound.
And as we speak to you, 3 children died this morning as a result of the same illness. Yes. And about 20, 10, and 3 others are down presently. Still as a result of the same strange illness. Well, that is as at the last count. That
is true.
What has been done about it?
We are trying.
That is why we are here, Your Highness.
Exactly.
To see you for a solution.
You came to see me?
Yes. For a way out.
Both of you are very stupid. You see why I say you are useless? You see? You came to see me. As what? As their mothers or what? I ask you, as what? Come here, fools! And who is this pig you bring before me?
Your Majesty, the dog brought sick-looking offering to the palace. Very useless. So she got the deserved punishment.
Is that true, woman?
Your Majesty, look at my body. What have I done to Buso to deserve all this?
I ask you a question and you dare question me?
My king, to make matters worse, she went and reported me to my father, Agoha, prompting the fool to come here to confront me.
Hey! Buso! You called your father a fool!
Shut up!
How dare you? How dare... Let no one incur my wrath. I will burn them. All of them. Burn them. Nonsense. And you two, up! Get up!
Let us go. Fools! Useless old fools!
Mogeku! Mogeku! Show yourself, for the king of Aniaka summons you.
My king, I knew you would come around.
What have you done?
Nothing. I just want them to feel a little brunt of my anger.
Whatever it is you have done, you must undo it.
My king, those people dealt with me a great deal. And I am persistent in my quest to make them suffer immensely. And you told me you weren't going to stand in my path. What are you doing?
Then, I will be forced to take other actions against you.
The only action you should take against me is making me your husband.
Then we shall rule in terror. And all the people would worship and bow in trembling at the presence of our royal regents. Women. I know women. Even when their hearts say yes, they will always say no just to prove a point. My king,
It will only take a time. Patience. Patience. Patience.
I can see anger in your heart, and that is why you dance the solo dance from the soul, because you want to kill him from the soul. But you have to desist from that, because the fool can still be of purpose to us.
How do you mean, great man?
You use these actions for your own purpose and decrees.
I am still unable to place your words, great one.
If people are made to believe that the sickness of the children is as a result of Ukon's stubbornness to bring the placenta of his child to you, can you imagine how that will play out in the minds of the people?
Interesting. The fool can still be useful after all.
Remember, you must not fall in love, because if you do, then your life is in the hands of a mortal.
I shall never be a fool to the fool.
And you must never allow laughter to be on your face. Like him.
to the age of the king.
Your wife has brought forth a child.
Yes. That is why I'm collecting this wood to cook her some herbs and keep the house warm.
You flaunted the order of the king.
By that, what do you imply?
What? What did I not hear you say? What?
How dare you move an inch? My daughter's placenta has been buried as the tradition demands.
Ukono, you have until nightfall to send the placenta to the palace. Or you dance to the music of Ndemo.
I've done the right thing. I can never be pushed into something that isn't clear enough to me.
I will not join words with you because you're simply a riffraff. By the end of today, and you do not do what you should have done, then I shall tell you why I am called Busara. Be one.
Akwam. Akwe.
My husband.
You don't seem up for any work today.
It's like of strength in me. I'm tired.
Are you okay?
What sort of question is that? You kept me awake all through the night just to stop all the strength from me.
But that's why I'm the real man. Yeah? See, listen. I will do it again and again and again and again.
And that is why I love you, my husband.
Hey, greetings, great king of Anaka.
Anado, I need you in my chamber at 1.
I am at work with my wife.
You are what with me? You're with your wife. You're with your wife.
Move it! But what wrong word have I used?
I said move it! Please, you cannot take my husband. Please, I beg you. Akwege, if you do not want to make me angry, stay away from this now. Move it! You cannot take my husband. Right now. Please, you must kill me first. My husband!
Your Highness, the people are seriously complaining.
Yes, the woman whose husband was taken ran to Anadu to complain.
Yes, and she said that she was seriously beaten by your maids. Yes.
So, what is your position?
Speak! Just that we are saying that if you can, if you can treat them with fairer hand, that it might help.
Yes, considering the fact that Nado, the man in question, is a married man, so it doesn't call for going to the chambers for marriage rights. So it raises the question of why was he even taken to the chambers?
How dare you? Buso!
My king.
Take these fools and flog their skins away.
Okay, Sidi.
Now, move gently, old man. I do not want to start rough handling you from the throne. Move! Move! Where is that fool, Rukono? Where is that fool? Come on here!
Greet is my
Your stubbornness made me come out myself. And for that, you must pay dearly.
Where is the placenta?
I rather die than present my daughter's placenta to a deity I know nothing about.
What? Then, so be it.
Some water on my body. You think you have time for that? Yes. It won't take long. I need it too.
It feels very cold on the body. I think I have my bath.
Bath?
Yeah.
Also, you know that will be possible. You can't be serious. We should leave now.
I am serious, Oda. I am taking my bath.
Buzo, we cannot take our bath. Let us go.
One way there you can go. If you both will not wait for me, you go. I know my way to the palace when I'm done.
Fine. Sit yourself.
Thank you.
Let's go, darling.
Wait for me, please. What I
You're fine. It's just a book. You're fine.
How dare you! Don't touch me!